butter on our toast. How much does the machine cost? We just got this machine on eBay. We bought it on eBay. We bought this machine about 5 years ago for about $400 or $500 straight from China. And it wasn't as popular as it is today. But yesterday we just bought another machine on eBay, a bigger machine, more commercial, larger motor, longer auger. The longer the auger, the more oil you can extract, so you'll get a better yield. You want a long auger. You don't want a short auger, because the shorter the auger that's in there spinning, the more oil is going to come out the end. We wanted a longer auger so that way it has more opportunity for the oil to come back and shoot down in here. So about $500-600 on eBay. It's a seed oil cold press machine, and we chose the commercial one. It has commercial. Have you eaten the drumsticks? I know India